अब बात करते हैं एयर पोल्यूशन के बारे में। SO2 and CO2 adversely affect on the functioning of respiratory systems and the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. SO2 affect the respiratory system, including the difficulty in breathing, increasing symptoms of the asthma, and CO affect oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. Next बात करते हैं depletion of the ozone layer in the outer atmospheric is likely to increase the incidence of the following: स्किन कैंसर, इसका आंसर क्या होगा? स्किन कैंसर, ओजोन डिप्लीशन. Ozone layer is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere, prevent the ultraviolet rays from the sun and CFC chlorofluorocarbons decaying the ozone layer, causing the ultraviolet rays from the sun to the cause like disease on the skins. अब बात करते हैं aerosols are defined as finely divided liquid droplet or liquid particle capable of remaining the suspended air. ये toxic gases नहीं होता, solid particle नहीं होता, non toxic नहीं होता. Aerosols are defined as the suspensions of the fine solid particles or liquid droplets in air or another gases. Aerosols can be natural or anthropogenic. Examples of the anthropogenic aerosols are particulate air pollutants and smokes. Cyclone separators are used for the SPM. Cyclone separators is a created dual vortex to separate cores from the fine dust. The main vortex spirals downwards and carries the most of the coarser drop particles. The polluting gas, which is primarily responsible for causing the greenhouse effect and global warming. The polluting gas, which is primarily responsible for causing greenhouse effects and global warming. इनमें से नहीं है. None of these. The primary factor of responsible greenhouse gases and global warmings are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrogen oxide, and chlorofluoro. These all are the greenhouse effect gases. The presence of the intolerable water level carbon monoxide in the air impact. Intolerable. The presence of intolerable level of carbon heart damage caused by the CO may have long-lasting effect, and even after toxic gases has been eliminated from the blood. Photochemical smoke is caused due to the presence of nitrogen oxide and hydrocarbon and sunlight. Photochemical smoke is a kind of air pollution originally named mixture of smoke and fog in the air, and HC NO react in the presence of sunlight and produce ozone PN proxyl acetylene. Higher efficiency of removal of SPM is less than 1 micrometer can be achieved by the ESP. An electrostatic precipitator is a device to remove dust particles from falling gas such as air using force induced electrostatic attractions. Is that likely charge repel unlike charge attract? According to the Bharat Stage 4th norms, air pollutant which are monitored for the petrol driven vehicles, Na oxides of nitrogen and particulate matter. According to Bharat Stage norm second, air pollutant which is monitored from the petrol driven vehicles of NOx, hydrogen or nitrogen and particulate matter. The thermal power plants mostly produced SO2. The pollutant or emissions from the thermal power plant can be classified gaseous emission SO2, NOx, CO2, CO, H2S, and many other particulates emission, smoke, dust, fuel, fly ash, and ciders. The major source of carbon monoxide pollution is automobiles. The major source of carbon monoxide. The greatest source of the CO to outdoor air and car, trucks, and other vehicles are machinery that burn fossil fuels. Cyclones are used for the cleaning air of the separation of many types of dust. Cyclones are used for the cleaning air by separations of the many types of dust. Cyclone separators, or simply cyclones, are separation device that are use the principle of inertia remove particulate matter from the flue gases. Many types of dust. Cyclones are used for the cleaning air by the separation many types of dust. Smaller pollutants that can be seen in the air are size is not less than 1 micron. Smaller pollutants that can seen in the air are size not less than 1 micron. Which of following compounds in air can be harm plants? Sulfur dioxide. Which of following compound in air can harm plant by sulfur dioxide? Which of following air pollutants causes irritations of the eye? Ozone. Poor quality of air containing harmful gases such as carbon monoxide and nitrogen dioxide has led to the more people complaining having red eyes. Ozone layer is lower in the upper atmospheric is getting destroyed and owing in the reaction with pollutant like chlorofluorocarbons. Ozone depleting pollutant like chlorofluorocarbon each of the stratosphere and break when exposed to the UV rays. The gaseous pollutants in the air which is combined with the hemoglobin in the blood. Monoxide. The carbon monoxide has 20 times more affinity than hemoglobin in compared to the oxygen. Carbon monoxide combined with the hemoglobin blood and the form of stable compound called carboxyhemoglobin. The intensity of air pollution is found to be the highest during winter. The higher level of pollution in the winter month repeated PM10 concentration which exceed the limit value. Pyrolysis is the process of the combustion of the ambient temperature, oxidation at the high temperature. Pyrolysis is the process of oxidation at the high temperature. Which one of following pollutants or pairs pollutants form due to the photochemical reactions? O3 and P. Which of following or pairs pollutant formed due to photochemical reaction? Pollutant is formed due to the photochemical reaction O3 and PAN. During the atmosphere during temperature invention, the atmospheric air pollution tends to accumulated below the inversion layer. During temperature inversion in atmospheric air pollutants tend to the accumulate below the inversion temperature. During inversion of the temperature, do not disperse. Warm layer lies over the cold layer in a general case of humidity and pollutant dispersed by the collectively traveling from the warmer to the colder air. Rain-Luft process is used. Disulfurization of the flue gases. Disulfurization of flue gases according to the Rain-Luft process, semi-coke is used as a absorber. Disulfonization of the flue gases according to the Rain-Luft process, semi-coke is used as a adsorber. The atmospheric condition in which the certain substances are present in such concentration that affect the health of human and animals, plant property is known as air pollution. The atmospheric condition in which the certain substances are present in the such concentration that affect the health of humans, animals, plants, and property is the known as air pollution. The particulate contaminants are removed from the pollutant gas stream by the incorporating particulate into the liquid droplets are termed as weight collectors. The precipitate contaminants are removed from the polluted gas stream by the incorporating the particulate into the liquid droplets are termed as bed collectors. The particular contaminants are removed from the pollutant gas stream by the incorporating the particulate liquid droplets are termed as bed collectors. The following is not recommended for management of plastic waste. This is incineration. Incineration is not recommended for the management of the plastic waste. The particulate which is emitted by the combustion of the petroleum in automobiles and which affect the hemoglobin formations, that is lead. The particulate which is emitted by the combustion of the petroleum in automobiles and which is affect the hemoglobin formations is a lead. अब बात करते हैं आर्गन के बारे में. ये क्या होता है? द आर्गन इज अ कंटेंट इन कंपोजिशंस ऑफ द क्लीन, ड्राई एंड एटमॉस्फेरिक एयर इज परसेंटेज बाय द वॉल्यूम विल बी 0.93%. Argon content in the composition of the clean, dry and atmospheric air percentage by volume is 93%. The mixture grinders and desert coolers, exhaust fans, swings and washing machines are all sorts of noise pollution. This pollution is termed as pollution from the household. The mixture grinder, desert cooler and exhausted fans, washing machines are the pollution from the household source. The gas produced by the landfill primarily is caused by the methane and carbon dioxide. Methane, carbon dioxide gases are produced during the landfill during the anaerobic decomposition. The best item that is usually not recycled. वेजिटेबल यूजेज, वेजिटेबल्स यूज जो बायोडिग्रेडेबल प्लास्टिक गैस रिकवरेबल होती हैं एंड ग्लास वेस्ट, पेपर वेस्ट सब रिकवरेबल होता है एक्सेप्ट ऑफ द वेजिटेबल वेस्ट. सॉलिड वेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट बाय द pyrolysis is referred to the heating process, heating in absence of air. The air pollution which is described as disease of wealth is termed as pollution due to transportation. Pollution due to transportation is termed as disease of wealth. The noise pollution which is produced pain in the heart and narrowing the arteries come under the following effect. This is the physical effect. This is just physiological effect. The physiological The physiology effect of the noise pollution are the pain in the heart is narrowing the arteries. Which one of following is not present in the acid rain? CH3COOH, CH3COOH, HNO3A, H2S, Na, HNO3, H2CO3, H2SO4 present in the acid rain. This is CH3COOH is not present in the acid. Electrostatic precipitation is devised to control the particulate emissions. NESP is the filtration device that remove fine particles like dust and smoke. Pollution by depletions of the ozone layer in the environment is caused due to the reactions of ozone. This is called chlorine. Chlorine reacts in the ozone and release the nascent gases. Which one of following plume behavior occur when the atmospheric inversion began from the ground level to the continuity? This is the fanning. When an ambient lap rate is a super adiabatic greater than adiabatic, the turbulence of the itself causes atmospheric reverse effect, which is in depression, which is conditions make the looping like highly stack or the need of